So how to make your first $500 affiliate commissions or $1,500 affiliate commissions every single week. If you're a person, for example, even living in India. Now I'm giving you this simple example because I know that most beginners don't have enough funds to afford spending money on Google ads, Facebook ads, running consistent daily traffic. So how you can make faster commissions like this, basically like this, on demand, by getting affiliate link in front of your targeted audience. You see, one of the most important things you have to understand is this: you need quality traffic. You can have the link, but you need traffic, right? So we have quality offer product here, and on the other side we have your buyers traffic, right? Clicks, people who are opening emails, people who are clicking on the affiliate link, on Clickbank affiliate link of you, right, and buying the product. So if you're watching this video and if you want to know exactly how, step by step, to get you traffic to your affiliate link and start generating high ticket affiliate sales, like for example, you can make $300 per sale, you can make $1,000 per sale, depends on what kind of offer you're promoting. I always suggest use the proven offer that I'm personally promoting. So the most important thing is this: choose an offer with an upsell take rate. So basically, for example, you promote a product for $200 and you get $190 affiliate commission, right? And after that, the person will upgrade and buy a coaching, for example, or something like that, or course, and you're going to receive a higher commission as well, right, on the back end. So this is how you can make those commissions. Now, the most important thing about buyers traffic is this: you will be getting traffic from US, UK, Canada, and Australia. So top tier countries, top geos, right? And then you'll also get buyers from those countries who are already buying similar courses or similar products online. So how it works is basically, after watching this video, if you're interested and if you have at least $200 or $500 on the side to get started, click the links below this video. There's going to be email, WhatsApp, and Instagram and Facebook, so you can reach me out, send me the message, and I'll send you a simple PDF where you can learn more on how it works and also get this traffic sent to you. So you also receive different packages. We have 4 different packages, and all the information is going to be below this video when you click on the links and connect with me. So again, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.